video, we will show you how to work on a patient dataset, which includes dual scan protocol. First, click on Add Patient, then OK. Click on Import 3D Exam Project. First, we will import the patient cone beam CT, which includes the patient wearing the marked prosthesis. Choose the appropriate import method for your dataset. Once imported, you can see that the dataset will appear behind the import window. In order to import the scan of the prosthesis itself, choose Import 3D Exam Project and choose Double Scan option. We are working with the mandible, so we'll choose Lower Prosthesis. Choose the appropriate import method for your dataset and locate your prosthesis scan. Click Import. Now you can see two DICOM datasets. One of the lower prosthesis, and the other of the patient wearing your prosthesis. We will start by working on the prosthesis cone beam CT. Click Open. You will notice that the available wizards differ from our previous videos. Follow the steps as needed. In our case, we do not need to trim our data. You may fine-tune the visualization in the 3D Settings wizard as needed to see your prosthesis. By clicking Next Step, the software will automatically locate the available markers on the prosthesis. By moving through the multiplanar images, confirm the markers are correctly selected. At this time, the pin visualization can be adjusted by moving the markers scroll bar to add or remove data. When we are happy, we'll click Segment. If the segmentation needs to be modified, the available tools can be used. This case does not need modification, so we'll click Apply. We will do the same for the prosthesis. Adjust the visualization of the prosthesis using the prosthesis scroll bar. Once our prosthesis is well defined in the multiplanar images, we will click on Segment. Using the available tools, we can modify the segmentation to remove information that we do not need. We can also use the tools to modify the appearance of the prosthesis. When we are happy with our result, we click Apply. We are done segmenting the markers and the prosthesis, so we will click Finish. The software will close and return to the main page, showing the two segmented objects in the Objects tab. Our next step is to open the patient DICOM dataset. Take a quick review to make sure you're working on the right dataset, and then click Open. Here you can see the patient DICOM dataset. If you choose, you may trim the opposing arch and any other items from the dataset for your project, though this is not required. Click on Next Step and adjust your visualization if needed. Then click Next Step again. In Data Import, we will register the previously created prosthesis to the patient scan. Start by choosing the marker STL, then click on Matching. The marker files are automatically located and superimposed to the DICOM dataset. Confirm your registration by moving your multiplanar images. Click Apply when you're ready. Now, the prosthesis will automatically be copied into position based on your marker registration. Confirm your registration by moving your multiplanar images. Click Apply to confirm your registration. Here you can see the completed registration of the patient's prosthesis to the patient scan using the double scan technique.